How much does it cost to make an app? If you expected to get a straightforward answer, you wouldn't find it here. App development cost depends on numerous factors, such as the type of app, the number of features, supported platforms, and even outsourced app development location. The final cost may range from $5,000 to millions. And in this video, you'll learn how to calculate the development cost of your app. App development cost calculation formula. Development companies calculate app development cost with a formula. They multiply the time in hours needed for development by the hourly rate. Let's say you have an app with 3 core features. The first feature, let's say authorization, takes around 50 hours to develop. The second feature, push notifications, takes around 150 hours to develop. And the last feature of our app, geolocation, takes around 30 hours. So the development of these features will take 230 hours. Now let's calculate the cost. It will depend on the hourly development rate. For example, the average hourly rate in the USA is around $100 per hour. The same services in Europe may cost you $50 per hour. In the first case, you would need to pay $23,000. In the second case, the app would cost you $11,500. But that's just an example. App development cost forming services in real-life mobile applications require many more hours of development, and there is much more to it than just code writing. App development cost forming services, app development consists of different stages. The first one is the discovery stage, which helps to do market research and set up goals of app development. In most cases, the discovery stage will cost you around $5,000 to $10,000, but can reach up to $25,000 in some cases. The second stage, UX and UI design creation, is estimated at $5,000. The final cost depends on the number of screens that you need to design, the complexity of your app, and visual elements. Designed for big apps with lots of customization may even pass the mark of $50,000. The third stage, mobile app development, is the key phase, during which the code base of an app is created. It usually costs around $10,000 for a small app and can reach up to $70,000 for a medium app. The development cost of huge apps can be calculated in hundreds of thousands of dollars. The fourth part is testing. It's an essential part during which the development team checks the app's functionality to identify any problems and bugs. This stage usually takes 1/3 of the time needed for app development. Hence, its average cost is around $5,000 to $25,000. After you release an app to the market, it will require ongoing development and support. During the first year after release, maintenance costs take up to 50% of the cost you've spent on app development. During the second and consecutive years, the number drops to 20%. How much does it cost to make an app? Let's calculate how much an app usually costs in real life. A small app with a basic set of features for a single platform may cost you around $50,000 to $80,000 and take around 4 to 5 months of active development. A medium-sized app may cost you around $50,000 to $150,000 plus. A large app will cost you over $200,000. And don't forget that if you want to create an app for both Android and iOS, you'll need to multiply the cost by 2. Did you like the video? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.